Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this fun little summer foliage and flower nail art look. It's really easy, so let's get right into it. So first up, as with any manicure, you want to make sure you start with your favorite base coat. Here, I don't necessarily use base coat because I'm just doing this for the camera and then I'm taking it off. But then I'm going to go ahead and put on 2 coats of Beach Buff by Glaze. This is from their new Body and Soul collection. It is just a really nice kind of beigey, taupey, sandy shade that has a nice hidden silver shimmer. You can use anything, of course, for this that you find perfect. Then after that is dry and up to full coverage, I'm going to go in with kind of a mossy green acrylic paint. And I'm going to start with the stems of the longer like fern-like leaves, or I guess almost palm-like. This isn't traditionally how I do a palm. I think more of a fern. So I'm going to do this in 2 spots in varying shapes, varying sizes. Apparently I can't speak this morning. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to slowly put in the leaves. You want to start them bigger towards your cuticle and then smaller towards the tip. This will help you kind of just create a nice shape for your plant leaf, and you can always go in and make the back ones longer if you find that you need to. After that, I'm going to go in with a different shade of green. This is like my grass green or like Christmas tree green. I'm not actually sure the name of it. It is an acrylic paint. And I'm going to put in a different type of leaf. I'm not really sure what this would be called, but it's just basically a elongated dot, and it's much thicker than the leaves that we did on the last part. And I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. I'm going to put it in between the 2 leaves, and I'm only going to do 1. But of course you can vary this upon each nail. Then I'm going to go in with some white acrylic paint and my smallest dotting tool, and I'm going to put in 4 to 5 petaled flowers, and I'm going to put 2 of them approximately on each nail. On my pinky I might just do 1, just base it upon your nail size and how you want them spaced out. Then once you have your flowers done and they are dried, you can go in with yellow acrylic paint and add a center. After that is all done and dry, you can add your choice of top coat and let that dry, and then you are completely done. I went ahead and went with a matte top coat, so as this would dry down, it would become matte, which is the pictures that you were going to see in today's blog post. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want to see more pictures and hear a little bit more about the nails, be sure to head over to my blog, which will be linked in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.